Today's video, we're going to walk you through how to reset your Maytag Bravo XL washer back to factory settings. If it's been acting up, throwing error codes, or just not working right, this might be the quick fix you need. Get into it. First, unplug the washer from the wall. Just pull the plug out and let it sit for at least a full minute. This helps drain out any leftover power and clears out glitches in the system. If possible, press the power button once while unplugged to fully discharge any residual electricity. Make sure the area around the washer is dry and free of water to avoid any accidents. After a minute, plug it back in. Now, we'll enter the reset mode. Press and hold both the start pause button and the power button at the same time. Keep holding for about 10 seconds, then let go. You might see some lights flash or random codes pop up on the screen. That just means the washer is starting to reset. Give it a few minutes. It might flash, beep, or do nothing at all for a moment. All normal. During this time, it's best not to open the lid or press any buttons, as that can interrupt the reset process. Take this time to double check that the water supply valves are fully open and that there are no kinks in the hoses. Once it's finished, the washer will be back to its factory settings, and all custom cycles or previous settings will be cleared. At this point, try running a short test cycle without any laundry to make sure everything is functioning correctly. Check that all the lights, buttons, and water settings are responding as they should. If it seems unusually noisy or the drum isn't spinning properly, pause the test and inspect the drum for any obstructions. If the washer still shows errors or isn't operating properly, you may want to consult the user manual or contact Maytag customer support for further guidance. Regular maintenance, like cleaning the lint filter and checking hoses, can prevent issues from recurring. Happy washing machine using.